of the most interesting living creatures. It's actually a fish, but it doesn't look like a fish. It's got a horse-like face, it has a curved body and a snake-like tail. Now you got it, right? A seahorse. Seahorse is the most fascinating fish in the sea. While drawing, I will share some of the most interesting facts about this animal. The seahorses are small. Their size is about 2 to 35 centimeters. They eat tiny fishes and planktons. They have a snout that points downwards. Like fishes, they also breathe through gills, present on each side of their head. They are poor swimmers. The dwarf seahorse is actually the slowest moving fish. They move only around 1.5 meters in an hour. Although they are bony fishes, they don't have scales. Its body is covered by tiny, spiny plates all the way from its head to tail. To move forward through water, seahorses use their dorsal fin or back fin. They anchor themselves to seaweed and coral using their tail. I'm drawing a colorful seahorse. Actually, it's not like this, but they can change their color like chameleons. This camouflage protects them from predators. Birds, sharks, and crabs eat seahorses. Usually, the babies grow inside mom's belly, right? But it's not the same for baby seahorses. The female seahorse lays eggs in a pouch on the male seahorse's abdomen. It's called brood pouch, somewhat like a kangaroo pouch. The eggs remain in the pouch for several days until they are ready to hatch. The baby seahorses are released into water from the pouch once they are fully developed. You can find more details about seahorses in the description box below. I hope that the amazing facts about seahorses were interesting for you guys as well. Please subscribe and share these facts with your friends too. Also, don't forget to smash the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos and you won't be missing it. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe.